Good afternoon, guys. This is Suf again from Immobiliser Northwest and Autostyle. We've just installed another Ghost Immobiliser on this 2013 Range Rover. Let's get inside. I'll show you how it works. So, in this particular car, it's going to allow us to start the engine, like so. As soon as I put it into gear, you'll see the car's cut off. Won't do anything. I'll try to restart the engine. Nothing. Won't do anything at all. I'll pop it back into park, turn the ignition off, cycle the ignition back on, and then put the cord in, and you'll see two blinks there. And we try to start it up. Perfect. For more information on how you can get one for your car, give us a call on 01254 427 887. Thank you.